Welcome back to Azar Pixel's channel, your go-to source for all things LED and AV equipment. Today we got something cool to show you. We just wrapped up a repair on not one, but two Crius 2.5 LED posters. These things are super sleek, but like any tech, they need a little love every now and then. When they came in, they had some pretty noticeable issues, mostly dead pixels. But don't worry, we're on it. Our technicians rolled up their sleeves and worked hand in hand to bring these posters back to perfect condition. It was a full-on team effort, from diagnostics to part replacements to final testing. We took extra care with the pixel alignment and made sure everything was working flawlessly before sealing it up. The attention to detail, that's what we're all about. We even ran a full playback loop to make sure there were no surprises. And yup, everything passed with flying colors. They now look crisp, smooth, and ready to go. So whether you got a damaged LED poster, a busted module, or a full wall that needs saving, you know where to find us. At Azar Pixel, we bring your LED walls back to life. Why buy new when we can repair? Book your repair now at www.azarpixel.com or call the number on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.